funded by Erasmus Plus program IREDEAR, with its main objective to improve the capacities of high-quality education in Jordan. Mutah University established a renewable energy remote lab, which consists of 3 parts. The solar energy trains the students on how to get acquainted with solar power plants, simulates a real solar power in off-grid mode, and study operation in battery charging mode. The wind energy trains the students on how to get acquainted with wind turbines and electrical loads, studying the methods for calculating power parameters, and study operation in battery charging mode. The fuel cell trains the students on how to get acquainted with fuel cell systems and generate electricity through electrochemical reaction. The remote software was developed to access and control the trainer remotely through the web. Students can sign up for a new user to access the main page. A webcam is installed to see the trainer live. Clicking the solar button will let the student access the materials and experiments related to solar energy. Students can gradually turn on the lights of the PV panel, measure temperature, and tilt the PV panel and sunlight remotely. Clicking the wind button will let the student access the materials and experiments related to wind energy. Students can turn on the VFD and start the fan remotely. Clicking the fuel cell button will let the student access the materials and experiments related to fuel cell. Students can turn on the fuel cell remotely. For each experiment, students can download a Word document file containing lab experiments. The trainer was manufactured by Bitlisman company in Armenia, supplied and installed by Technology Integration in Jordan, which developed the remote software.